Money management advice is everywhere you turn these days. News programs, online financial sites, YouTube, everywhere. Even your friends and family are eager to share their opinions about how you should manage your money or finances. But despite all this advice, tips, ideas, and new digital tools for managing your finances, these 3 golden rules will never change. If you are new here, please subscribe as I share with you 3 golden rules of money management you must know. Don't spend more than you make. Basic money management always starts with this rule. If you always spend less than you make or earn, your finances will be in good shape. You see, there are many misconceptions about what living below your means truly actually means. Simply put, live below your means. That is, don't spend more than you earn. Living below your means does not mean you can't spend money on things you love in order to enjoy life. Instead, if you want to create a more stable finances, then you must make some conscious financial decisions such as saving extra money, creating a budget, and cutting back unnecessary spending. You may wonder how you can live below your means, and I want to share with you 3 simple ways to do so. Making money has never been the problem, but managing it. You can manage your finances well and live below your means by tracking your spending. Being aware of what you use your penny to buy is very important if you want to spend less than you earn. To track your spending, you can create a spreadsheet or use one of the various budgeting apps available for mobile phones. And also, recording each purchase is a great way to force yourself to think twice before buying anything. It can be intriguing to buy something just to impress someone. This is very bad way of money management. If you want to live below your means, you must cut off meaningless spending. Questioning each purchase might help you better understand your priorities and what you really want to use your money to buy. By spending less than you make, you can be able to get out of debt, pay off loans, and save for big purchases. Budgeting can be one of the most important actions you can take that can help you spend less than you make. If you don't know how much you make and how much you spend, it is going to be very difficult to manage your finances. So budgeting will help you understand your income and your expenses all together. Always plan for the future. Get into the habit of saving money by paying yourself first. On payday, transfer money to your savings account even before you pay any bill. You can easily do this by automating your account. Planning for the future means preparing for unexpected, and building up emergency fund is the best way to handle life unforeseen expenses. Having it difficult to find money to pay yourself first? Then always remember the first golden rule. Your future income will always be stable when you clear out all debt. Debt has been one of the things that kill good financial beginnings. Creating a future financial plan is very important because it allows you to make most of your assets, helps you ensure that you meet your future financial goals, and it gives you the confidence to weather any bumps along the way. You see, to always plan for the future, you need to set financial goals. A good financial plan is guided by your financial goals. Make your financial goals inspirational. Ask yourself, what do I want my life to look like in the next 5, 10, 20 years? Have a concrete goal. By doing that, it will make it easier to identify and complete the next step, and provide a guiding light as you work to make those aims a reality. Investing is a time-tested way of putting your money to work for you as you work to earn more of it. Best investor in modern day history, Warren Buffett, said, "Foregoing consumption in order to have the ability to consume more at a later date." By investing your money regularly, you may be able to increase it many times over with time. That is why it is important to invest your money as early as possible. To help your money grow by investing, you need to know 2 things. That is, 1. Define your tolerance with risk. There is no certain that it is 100% assured that you will not lose money when investing. So, you need to define your tolerance with risk. Once you determine your risk tolerance, you can set your investment sight on the stocks that complement it. And 2, decide your investment goal. You must know why you are investing, and before you invest in anything, do a massive research about it because it is easy to get scammed nowadays. You must have an investment goal. Opening brokerage account online brokers like Fidelity will ask you of your investment goal. If you are just beginning your career, an investment goal could be like to increase the amount of money in your account. And if you are older, you may want to generate income as well as grow and protect your wealth. Investment goal might also be buying house, funding your retirement, or saving for tuition fee. This goal can change as you go along, but it pays to have a goal at the beginning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for educational videos just like this one. And until the next one, au revoir mes amis.